Dear student, today we will learn chapter number 4, Geometric Construction, exercise 4.1. Practice set 4.1. Here we have question number 3. Triangle RST, similar triangle XYZ. In triangle RST, RS equals to 4.5 cm, angle RST equals to 40 degree. Side ST equals to 5.7 cm. Construct triangle RST and triangle XYZ such that RS upon XY equals to 3 upon 5. So in this question it is asked to construct both the triangle, and here we have sufficient information for the triangle RST. Okay, but we don't have sufficient information for triangle XYZ. So to construct this triangle we need to find out some sufficient information for this triangle using property of similar triangle. So as you all know that if the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal and their corresponding angles will be congruent. Using that property we will find some sides and some angles of triangle XYZ. So let's see over here. So here triangle RST is similar triangle XYZ. So the ratio of their sides will be equal. That is RS upon XY equals to ST upon YZ equals to RT upon XZ. And you can see that the value of one of the ratio is given 3 upon 5. So all the ratios will be equals to 3 upon 5. Okay, now here we are going to substitute value of sum of the sides. Okay, so you will get 4.5 upon xy equals to 5.7 upon yz equals to 3 upon 5. You can see that here RS is given 4.5 centimeters. So I have replaced RS by its value, that is 4.5 centimeter, and here ST, you can see that in the question ST is given 5.7 centimeters. So I have replaced it ST as 5.7 centimeter. Now we'll equate the first ratio and the last ratio, okay, to get the value of side XY. Okay, so what we will get, let's see, you'll get 4.5 upon XY equals to 3 upon 5. Okay, so the next step is, so XY equals to 4.5 into 5 upon 3. Now we will cancel 4.5 by 3. You will get 1.5, and 1.5 into 5 gives us 7.5 centimeter. So XY equals to 7.5 centimeter. Now we will take the second and the last ratio, that is 5.7 upon YZ equals to 3 upon 5. So YZ equals to 5.7 into 5 upon 3. Now we will cancel 5.7 by 3. We will get 1.9, and 1.9 into 5 gives us 9.5 centimeter. So we got the length of YZ as 9.5 centimeter. Now here angle RST is congruent to angle XYZ, as the triangles are similar, so definitely their corresponding angles will be congruent. Okay, so here angle RST is given 40 degree, so angle XYZ will also 40 degree. So now you can see that here we have a rough figure, and you can see that we have sufficient information for triangle XYZ. Now let's see the construction part.
First we'll construct triangle RST and then triangle XYZ. For triangle RST, first we have drawn the rough figure. You can see rough figure triangle RST. ST is 5.7 centimeter, angle S 40 degree, and this SR is given 4.5 centimeter. So we have to construct this triangle. This is the rough diagram. Okay, let's start. First we'll draw base ST. ST 5.7 centimeter. So students, you can take the distance 5.7 centimeter as the base. See now, so this is, we have drawn ST 5.7 centimeter. Okay, we have drawn base ST 5.7 centimeter. We can do it. Now we have this angle S 40 degree. This angle S is 40 degree. So at this point S, we'll draw angle of 40 degree. Use protractor, keep it on point S. Okay, I repeat, take protractor and keep it on point S and draw angle of 40 degree. We have marked 40 degree. So we have drawn this angle 40 degree. This angle S is 40 degree. You can do it. After that, now we can see this distance RS. RS is given 4.5 centimeter. So what you have to do? From this point S, we have to cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So take the distance of 4.5 centimeter. Use the rounder compass for that and take distance of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, take distance of 4.5 and keep it on point S. See, keep on point S and cut an arc with that distance. Cut an arc. Okay, mark this point as point R. So we mark this point as point R, and now, well, this is 4.5 centimeter, and this point R join with this point T. Okay, point R join with point T. You can see, students, we have constructed triangle RST with the given information. Okay, you can do it. And now next, how we constructed triangle RST. In the same way, we have got the measurements of this triangle XYZ also. This is the rough figure of XYZ. YZ 9.5 centimeter we have got, angle Y 40 degree, and this XY, that is given 7.5 centimeter. So we have to construct this triangle. Okay, this is the rough figure of that. Now let's start with the construction. First step, we will draw the base. Okay, we'll draw the base, that is 9.5 centimeter. You can see 9.5 centimeter. So we'll draw the base. You can see that. So take the base YZ 9.5 centimeter. Okay, this is, we have taken YZ 9.5 centimeter. Okay, YZ 9.5 centimeter. You all can draw it. YZ 9.5 centimeter. Now angle Y is given 40 degree. Angle Y 40 degree. So at this point Y, keep protractor at point Y. Keep protractor at point Y and make angle of 40 degree. Make angle of 40 degree. So we'll draw 40 degree here. Well, this is 40 degree. Mark here 40 degree. You can do it. Now students, you can see now this XY is given 7.5 centimeter. So here we have to draw, cut an arc of 7.5. So take the rounder, take 7.5 centimeter distance. Okay, take 7.5 distance, and from point Y you cut this arc. So this is point X. You can mark 7.5 centimeter. Just do it. From point Y, cut an arc of 7.5. You get point X. Now with this point X, you join with this Z. So here we have constructed triangle XYZ. Okay. So see, we got triangle RST, actual construction, and this is triangle XYZ, and these two triangles are similar triangle. These two are similar triangles. So we have constructed this. Okay, you can do it. in the topic Geometric Construction, practice set 4.1. Today we'll see how to solve question number 2, how to construct. Triangle PQR similar to triangle LTR is given. Measurements of triangle PQR are given. PQ 4.2 cm, QR 5.4 cm and PR is 4.8 cm. So here we have the measurements of triangle PQR. This can be constructed. Okay. Further, it is given, ratio is given, PQ upon LT is 3 upon 4. So from this ratio we can see, now these two triangles are similar and the ratio is 3 upon 4. So from here PQ corresponds to 3 and LT corresponds to 4. Ratio is 3 upon 4. So definitely this triangle LTR is a bigger triangle. Okay. So first we'll draw the rough figure. Let us see the rough figure for this. So here we have triangle PQR. Now this is triangle PQR, and now point to be noted between these two PQR and LTR. R is a common point. We are going to mark R here. Okay. So this is now triangle is P. You can mark here Q. PQR is a triangle where PQ, well, this is 4.2 centimeter and we have RQ 5.4 centimeter and PR is 4.8 centimeter. So this triangle can be constructed. Okay, but now PQR is similar to LTR, and now see the other triangle will be outside this because the ratio is PQ upon LT is 3 upon 4. So this is PQ, LT will come outside. So just extend this. This is a rough figure, students. So okay, so this triangle is PQR and now L will come here, LTR, and this is PQR. So first we'll construct this triangle PQR, then we'll go for constructing LTR. Yes, you all can do the rough figure. Now let's start with the actual construction. Okay, so first we are going to construct triangle PQR where RQ is 5.4. So students, you can see now RQ 5.4 centimeter. We have drawn here RQ. This is 5.4 centimeter. Okay, we can do this. Now 4.8 and this is 4.2. So you will take distance of 4.8 and from this point R you cut an arc. Okay, 4.8 centimeter. See here we have taken 4.8 centimeter. From this point R we will cut an arc of 4.8. You can see that. And now okay, and then it is 4.2. So we'll take 4.2 now, and from this point Q, arc of 4.2. Just draw the proper arc. Okay, so from here 4.8 and from here 4.2. Join this. Okay students, so this is triangle. We have got triangle PQR. Okay, we can construct this triangle PQR. Now to construct triangle LTR, okay, what we do, from this point R, you can draw an acute angle. You are going to draw an acute angle. Okay, you are going to draw an acute angle here from point R. You can draw an acute angle, any measurement you can draw. And after this, from this point R, now you can see students here, this is now see the ratio PQ upon LT 3 upon 4. The ratio is 3:4 and the 4 is bigger. So we'll divide this, we'll take 4. So divide, you're going to cut arc here. 4 equal parts you can divide. Take distance now, take suitable distance, maybe 1 centimeter around or maybe more than that. And now from here you can see you're going to cut 4 arcs here. 1, then from this point 2, 3, and this is 4. Okay, out of these two, whichever is bigger, draw that many arcs, and you can name this as, this is point R, so this is R1, R2, R3 and R4. Okay, you're going to mark R1, R2, R3 and R4. So students, now triangle is PQ ratio is 3. PQ ratio, you can see PQ ratio is 3. So this third part, okay, third R, okay, you can join here with this Q. See, we have drawn this third arc with this Q now. Okay, you can do it. Okay, so we have constructed triangle PQR. PQR is constructed. Now we have to get LTR, which will come outside this, so you need to extend this, you have to extend this. Okay, extend this line, and even this line you have to extend. Okay, you extend this and extend this line. Now see how we do this. This method is similar to how we did tangent without using center. Now see how we start with this. First, keep this rounder on this third part, R3. Keep it on R3 and take distance maybe just, okay, beyond that R2. Take the distance and you cut this arc. Okay, complete this arc, cut this arc. Okay, you can joining these 2 points, you cut an arc here. Now don't change the distance, and with the same distance keep it on R4. Okay, I repeat, keep it on R4 here now, and draw arc from here also. You can see that, student, you can draw from here also. I repeat once again, first you keep it on R3, see here R3, from here you draw the arc. Okay, and again keep it on R4 and draw the arc. Now we'll take this distance, students. See how we do this. You can take this distance. Okay, the arc which you have drawn, take that distance. Okay, and now with that distance, see on this ray, where is this point? Can you see this point? Okay, from this point, keep it rounder here and cut that previous arc. Okay, students, and from R4 join with this, join R4 with this, so you are going to get a parallel line. See, this line is parallel. Now this point we are going to mark it as point T. This is point T now. So this is parallel, okay, to this. This is point T. You can do this. Now how we draw parallel line here? In the same way, from this point T also we have to draw a parallel line here. Okay, from this point T also we need to draw a parallel line. Okay, you can even draw with the set square also, or we can follow the same steps. See how we do it. Keep the rounder on point Q now, and you cut an arc. Okay, see, this way you cut an arc. From this point Q you cut an arc. You can do it. And now keep the same, with the same distance, keep it on point T. Keep it on point T. Okay, point T, and with this cut an arc here also. Okay, students, you can see that first from point Q and then from point T with the same distance. Now take this distance. You can see, student, take this distance. Can you see that? Take this distance. This distance you take. Okay, take this distance, and now keep it on this point. Okay, and cut this arc once again, and with this point join point T now. Okay, and you can name, now this is point L. The students, you can see that you got triangle LTR, and this is triangle PQR. Both are similar triangle. Okay, do this construction. So in the topic today we'll see geometric construction topic, practice set 4.1. Question 4. Triangle AMT similar triangle AHE. In triangle AMT, AM is 6.3 cm, angle TAM 50 degree, AT 5.6 cm, and a ratio is given AM upon AH 7 upon 5. Now we can see that this point A is common, A is a common point, and this angle A is given 50 degree. So we have the measurements of triangle AMT, so we can construct this triangle. Now see the ratio AM upon AH 7 upon 5. So from the ratio you come to know that AM 7 and AH is 5. So this triangle AMT is a bigger triangle and AH is a smaller triangle. So we'll draw the rough figure for that. First we'll draw triangle AMT. You can see that this is triangle AMT. Here AM is 6.3. Well, this is, we'll mark 6.3 centimeter. Angle TAM 50 degree. So angle TAM, this is 50 degree given. Mark here 50 degree. Okay, and it is 5.6 centimeter. This is 5.6 centimeter. So this is the triangle AMT. Another triangle is now AHE, and the AH ratio is 5. So this point, say here, we'll mark one point here, H. I will join here. You can see that, and we'll mark point E here. So this is the triangle AMT, and the triangle is AHE. So this we have to construct rough figure. Now we'll go for the students. You can draw the rough figure. Now let us see the construction. We'll draw the base. Base AM 6.3 centimeter. You can take 6.3 centimeter. Well, this is 6.3 centimeter. Okay, you can draw the base AM 6.3 centimeter, and we have drawn an angle 50 degree angle at point A. Take the protractor and draw an angle of 50 degree. So you can see this is 40 and this is 50. Well, we have drawn this, okay, and this angle is 50 degree. Now distance of AT is 5.6 centimeter. So we'll take 5.6 now. Students, you can see we'll take 5.6. Okay, and 5.6, this is 5.6, and from point A you cut an arc here. You can see this, mark this as point T. This is 5.6. Okay, students, and join this after. So this is triangle AMT we have constructed. AMT we have constructed, and as you can see in the rough figure, you have got triangle AMT and this triangle AHE. This HE is inside this triangle. So how we go about that? For that, you can draw an acute angle here at this point. Okay, you can draw an acute angle. Now you can see the ratio AM 7, AH is 5. The 7 is bigger, so here we are going to divide in 7 arcs. You can take small distance. You can see, students, you can take small distance, maybe around 1 centimeter, and from here you're going to cut arcs, 7 arcs you're going to cut. So this is 1, this is 2, you can see this is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the 7 arcs we have cut, and this is point A, so you can mark it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Okay, do this. So from this point A, we have drawn an acute angle and divide in 7 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see the ratio AM 7, AH is 5. So this is AM, the ratio is 7. This we join with the 7th arc. Because the other triangle will be inside this, other triangle will come inside this. This is a bigger triangle. Now how we go about this? Now take the rounder. Take the rounder after this and keep it on this 7. We'll keep it on 7. Student, you can see ratio is 7 and 5. So keep it on 7 and just above, after this 6th arc, you can draw arc here. You can see that. Don't change the distance. Now keep it on 5. First on 7 and now on 5th arc you have to keep. Keep it on the 5th arc and draw an arc. You can see that. I repeat, first you keep it on 7, draw the arc 7, and then keep it on 5th and you draw the arc. Okay. Now take this distance. You can see that. Take this distance. Okay. Take the distance. Take the distance, this arc, and now you keep it on this point. Okay. And from here you cut this arc. Okay. I repeat, take this distance here, and from this point you cut this arc, and now from that 5th A5, from A5 you join this. Mark this point as H. This is point H we have got. So, and now in the same way we have drawn from this H, we have drawn parallel line to this, parallel to this, and the method is same as this only. Now you'll keep it on M and then H. Keep it on point M. Okay, take some distance and cut the arc. You can see. I repeat, keep it on point M, cut this arc. Now keep it on point H, and same distance, cut the arc. And now take this distance. You can see, students, take this distance, and with this distance from this point, cut this arc once again. I repeat, with this distance, cut the arc from here, and now with this H you have to join this point. From this H you can see, and mark this point as E. So students, you can see we got this triangle AMT AHE. Both are similar triangle. AMT AHE. You can do it. So today in the construction of tangent to the circle, we are going to draw tangent to the circle but without using center. Okay, without using center of the circle we have to construct a tangent. So in practice set 4.2 question 3, okay, radius of the circle is given 3.6 centimeter. So we'll take the radius 3.6. You can see in the scale, we'll take the radius as 3.6 centimeter. Okay, and we'll draw a circle. We'll draw a circle with that. See the circle now. With that given radius you have to draw the circle. Okay, students. So you can see that radius is 3.6. You all do the circle, everyone. Please do the circle. This is, we can mark this as the center. Okay, this is the center of the circle. You can mark center. Now we have to draw tangent to the circle at any point. So we'll take, say, any point. So we'll take one point here. Now see, this point is M. We have marked this point as point M. Okay, so at this point M, now we have to draw tangent. Okay, we have to draw tangent. So the first step, at this point M, from here we'll draw one chord. Okay, and you can mark this point as N. So this is a chord we have drawn, MN. And the next step is, so we are going to take one more point here. Okay, I repeat, first we have taken point M here, and then take another point, draw chord, take one more point here, say this is point P. Okay, so now next step, you are going to draw one triangle. You can draw one inscribe angle here, you will draw one triangle. So in this type, without using center, you can draw this triangle. Okay, students. So now at this point M, we have to draw tangent. Tangent will come this way. Okay, see the method. First, to draw one arc, keep this rounder or compass on point P. See that? Keep it on point P, right? Okay, you can see now. Okay, keep the compass on point P and see now. And you draw an arc here. Okay, this way you can draw the arc. See, I repeat, keep on point P and draw arc. Don't change the distance. Now with that same distance, keep this on point M now. Okay, keep this on point M. You can see that, and from down, you can see from down, you can draw the arc now. Until it should be there till this point, till this line. Okay, you can draw the arc. Okay, you can do student now. So here we have drawn the arc, same arc we have drawn here from this point M. Rounder is point M, we have drawn this arc. Okay students, we can do this. Okay, now after that, now you will take the length of this arc from this end to this end, this end to this end, take this distance. See how you do that? Keep the rounder here and you can take this distance. You can see that, take this distance. Okay, take this distance, and now this you have to keep it on point, this point on this MN, keep it here. Okay, and you cut an arc on the previous arc. See that, cut an arc on the previous arc. I repeat, take this distance. Okay, you can see distance, and now rounder will be here on this point and cut an arc with the distance. Okay, and after that, now if you're going to join this, see students, yes, with this point M, join with this arc. Okay, so you can see this line is a tangent, this line is a tangent to the circle, but see we have not used the radius, okay, but we can show the radius afterwards. We can show the radius. Okay, well, this radius was 3.6, so we can write here it is 3.6 centimeter. So this is the tangent to the circle at point M. Okay, you can have a look at it. Okay, so practice set 4.2, question 5. Okay, radius is 3.4 centimeter given. There is a chord MN given 5.7 centimeter. We have to draw tangent at this point M and N, but without using center of circle. Okay, let's start with that. First step, we'll draw one circle with the radius 3.4. Okay, we'll take the radius 3.4 centimeter. So see students, you can take the radius 3.4 centimeter and we'll draw the circle first. Draw the circle with the given radius. Now next step is, you have to draw chord MN of 5.7. How we draw the chord? Okay, now mark one point here. So this is point M. Chord is MN. So mark one point M here. Okay, now you take distance of 5.7 from the scale. Take distance of 5.7. Okay, and compass on point M. Okay, compass, this distance is 5.7. This is 5.7 centimeter. Compass on point M, and you're going to cut an arc here. Okay, 5.7, and join this. Okay, so this is M and this is point N. Well, this distance is 5.7 centimeter. Okay, this is 5.7 centimeter. Now we have to draw tangent at M and N. Okay, tangent at M and tangent at N, but without using center. So we are going to mark one more point here. This is mark at point P. Okay, and in this method we can construct one triangle. See, now we are constructing one triangle now. Okay, so now we have to draw tangent at M and N. First we'll draw tangent at M. Okay, tangent at point M. So see what we do, take the rounder. Okay students, point, keep it on point P and draw an arc. Okay, and small arc you can draw. Okay, see, one small arc you draw here. See now. Okay, I repeat, keep on point P and draw an arc. Now don't change the distance, with the same distance keep on point M. You can see that, keep on point M, and okay, and you can draw an arc from, okay, from this line, or you can from down, you can draw the arc this way. Okay, you can draw the arc here. And similarly we have to draw tangent at N also. See, same step here, from N, this point N also, rounded at point N, and you can draw the arc here also. Okay, arc here also. With the same arc we have drawn at M and N. Students, you can do it now. Okay, now after this, now we'll take this distance. See, we'll take this distance now. From this point to this point, take the distance. You can see that. Okay student, take this distance, and now keep this, where to keep this, at this point, on this chord MN, this line. Okay, keep the rounder here and cut this previous arc. Okay, and similarly here, see, cut at this point and cut this previous arc. Okay, and now next step, draw the tangent. So we have got the tangent now, one tangent, okay, at point M, and here also second tangent. You can see that, second tangent at point N. Okay, so you have got the two tangents, students. Okay, and the radius of the circle is given 3.4, so we can, that we can mark here. Okay, we can mark that radius. So this center you can mark as O, and this is 3.4 centimeter. Okay, so this is the tangent. We have drawn tangent at M and N, but without using the center. One tangent, second tangent. Okay, you can do it now.